Hey there, kindergartners. Welcome back to the Math Lab. Yesterday we had a lot of fun watching our train disappear. Well, today we're going to mix it up a little bit and we're going to play a game called Growing and Disappearing Train. Here's how the game goes. I have 2 dice. On one dice, there are plus and minus symbols. On the other dice, there are numbers like 1, 2, and 3. So I'm going to take both dice and I'm going to roll them at the same time. And I got plus 3. What do you think I'm going to do to our train with plus 3? Right, I would add 3 train cars to our train. Did that make our train grow or disappear? Right, it made it grow. So at the end of each round, we're going to write a number sentence to show what we did to our train. So we started with number 10. Then did we add or did we subtract? We added plus 3 equals how many train cars are in our train now? Well, let's see. We could count on from 10, right? 11, 12, 13. So now we have 13. So that's how our game is played. We're going to play 10 rounds. So I'm going to go ahead and set our train back to the beginning. We're going to start our train at the number 10. So our train right now has 10 train cars. I'm going to put a star right here. That way we know that's where we started. At the end of our game, we're going to compare and see if our train is longer or if it's shorter than when we started. So at the very end, you're going to guess, see, are there a greater amount of train cars or are there a lesser amount of train cars? So go ahead and make a prediction. Let's see if there's more or less. What do you think? All right, let's get started. I'm going to take my dice and I'm going to roll them. Ooh, minus 2. So the first thing we're going to do, we're not going to be adding, we're going to be subtracting. So I'm going to take 2 train cars away from our train. Let's see, we started with what number? We started with 10. So 10 take away 2 is equal to, what do you think it's equal to? Right, it's equal to 8. Let's see if you can write this number story on your whiteboard. Awesome job. All right, go ahead and erase your whiteboard when you're done. And let's try another round. Okay, here it goes. Ooh, this time I have plus 3. So what do you think we're going to do now? I think we're going to add to our train. We're going to add 1, 2, 3. Ooh, how would we write this as a number story now? As a number sentence, not a story, number sentence. Well, let's see. Let's look at our train. We had 8 cars. So let's write that on our whiteboard. 8. Now we added. So what symbol do we use for adding? The plus symbol. Plus 3 equals, what does it equal? Let's count on from 8. Ready? 9, 10, 11. Ooh. So now our train is actually longer than when we started. Let's see at the end where it'll be. All right, let's roll those dice again. Whoa, we have plus 2. So we're going to add 2 more to our train car. 1, 2. Let's see. Let's try to write that as a sentence. Now, where did we start this time? We started with 11. So let's start with 11. Let's write the number 11 on your whiteboard. And then we added, so we're going to use the plus symbol, plus 2 equals, how many is it? Let's go ahead and count. 12, 13. So now we have 13. All right, here it goes again. Oh, we have minus 3. Oh, now we have to take 1, 2, 3 away. All right, let's write that as a number sentence. Are you ready? We started with 13 minus 3 equals how many? 10. All right, let's try a few more rounds. We may not get all the way to 10 rounds. All right, let's try again here. I'm hoping for minus. I want to disappear the train. Oh, it was plus 1. All right, so let's add 1 more to our train. Let's see if we can write that as a number sentence. We started with 10. And we added 1. What's 1 more than 10? 11. Ooh, you guys are so good at this. All right, come on. Let's hope for subtraction. I like subtraction. Minus 2. All right, so now we're going to get to disappear our train a little bit. Let's take 1, 2 away. Now we started with 11, right? 11 minus 2 equals, what does it equal? Let's count backwards here. 1, 2, 9. All right. How about let's try just 2 more rounds? We're pretty close to where we started. All right. Let's roll those dice. Plus 1. Oh no. If we add 1 more to our train, is it more or less than where we started? This one's tricky. Let's add 1. Now how many train cars do we have? Let's go ahead and write it as a number sentence. We have 9 plus 1 equals, what's 1 more than 9? 10. Whoa, we're right back where we started. Let's try 1 more round and see if our train grows or if it disappears a little. All right, come on, dice. Are you hoping that it grows or that it disappears? I'm kind of hoping that it disappears. Oh no, sorry, my dice just ran away. Let's try that again. Maybe I'll try to roll it on the table this time. Oh, it rolled off again. Oh, it was plus 3. Oh, so let's go ahead and add 3 to our train. 1, 2, 3. So we started with 10 right here, and then we added 3. How many does that equal? Let's start with 10 and count on. 11, 12, 13. 13. So now our train has 13 train cars. Now, tell me, kindergartners, is our train longer or shorter than when we started? You're right. It's longer. If it's longer, then does it have a greater amount or a lesser amount of train cars? Right again. It has a greater amount of train cars. You guys are so awesome at this. Thanks for playing the growing and disappearing train with me.